Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayers, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for October 15th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, the US dollar continues to consolidate within the 79.80 support level for the fourth week in a row. A break above 80 lends credibility to a retracement higher with 81.82 as the next logical resistance level. Let's take a quick look at the daily charts. The daily chart appears to be forming a potential bearish flag, lending credibility to a test of 78. A break above 80 suggests a retracement higher. Next up, the CDD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD continues to consolidate below the 98.99 resistance level. A break above 98 opens the window for a move higher. A break below 97.5 is likely to follow through to test 96. Next up, the YUK, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK continues to hold support at 78. A close above 78.50 lends credibility to a test of resistance at 79.5. A break below 78 suggests a continuation lower. Let's take a look at the US dollar versus the euro as seen here in the EUI. Well, the 76.77 level remains an important support for the EUI. A bounce this week is likely to meet with resistance at 78.79. A close below 76 lends credibility to a continuation of the downtrend. Let's take a look at the BPX, the US dollar versus the British pound. Well, the BPX hit 62.5 and rejected. A reversal and subsequent break above 62.5 opens the window for a move higher. 61.5, 62 remains a strong support. Next up, the AUX, the US dollar versus the Australian dollar. The AUX retraced lower as expected after hitting resistance at 98. A break back above 98 suggests a continuation higher. 96.97 should provide near-term support to any further pullback. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar index continues to consolidate within the 79.80 zone. A break above 80 opens the window for a move higher. However, it appears as though a bearish continuation pattern is forming, which lends credibility to a move lower. The CDD spent the week consolidating just below 98. A break above 98 opens the window for a move to the upside. However, the trend in force is to the downside, and we are open to a retest of 97 for a test of support. The YUK continues to consolidate along the 78 support level. We are open to a test of 79 this week. However, a break below 78 lends credibility to a continuation lower. The EUI sits above 77, and a bounce this week is likely to retest the 78-79 resistance level. A break below 77 lends credibility to a continuation of the downtrend. The BPX hit 62.5 and pulled back. We need to see a break above 62.5 to lend credibility to a continuation higher. 62 remains an important support level. The AUX pulled back after testing 98, but appears to be forming a small bull flag. A break above 98 opens the window for a move higher. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for October 15th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for a free webinar at www.optionsource.net.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in US dollars and have a European-style exercise.